Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 9 of the Suzuki VS1400 teardown. It's just going to be a quick and easy one tonight. We're just going to tear down those rear struts on the back of the bike there, the ones that support the fender and the rear pillion. It's all pretty straightforward stuff, but this is how you do it. Okay, so there are 3 fixing points to these rear brackets. You've got the one up here at the top of the suspension, you've got one down here that goes straight into the frame, and you've got the bottom of the suspension as well. If you don't disconnect the suspension altogether, the rear shock, it's going to be really tricky to get this arm off. There is a spacer, there's a supporting bar going through. It's actually hollow and it goes all the way through, and it has the thread on the end of it here, which is what this 14mm nut sits on. So we're going to take this nut off, we're going to pry this out. This is not stock, you should have a chrome cover with a bolt on the inside. We're going to want to pry that cover out of there. And then we've got a Torx or Allen bolt down here. Going to loosen all 3 of these up, take the suspension arm off, and then we'll be able to remove this as well. So now that we've taken off all 3 points that the arm is fixed with, this is just a spacer between the bottom of the arm and the frame. Now if this has not been removed before, chances are it's going to be quite hard to get it off by yourself. So I always try and find something with a soft edge, like the handle of a ratchet, or if you've got a rubber mallet, that would be even better. And just give the top part of the arm a tap and you'll see it start to move. And now you can see that spacer. Make sure you put this back in if you're putting these stock arms back on. So that's it for today, guys. Really simple process to get these arms off. Just always remember to put that spacer back in if you're putting these stock supporting arms back on the bike. These are not going to be going back on, and neither is this. These are huge. I think they measure at 14 inches, hang on. 36 centimeters end to end. And we're looking at around 13 inches center to center. Yeah. So these won't be going back on. If any of you need any stock shock absorbers for the rear of the bike, let me know. They're not in too bad condition actually. I've definitely seen worse. This bike was well looked after by its previous owner, but these, the bike's too high off the back. I'm only short, so I need to lower it down a bit. Thinking maybe going with 11.5, maybe progressive suspension. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in part 10, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. All the best. See you soon.